Have you ever heard of the 3 a.m. manifestation technique? They say it's the magic hour when the universe is most connected to you. But is it real? Or just another internet myth? Let's uncover the truth. 3 a.m. is often referred to as the witching hour or the hour of silence. It's a time when the world is quiet, your subconscious is most active, and spiritual energy is believed to be at its peak. The technique involves using this stillness to focus on your deepest desires and communicate them directly to the universe. Here's how you can try the 3 a.m. manifestation technique. 1. Set an intention before bed. Write down what you want to manifest. 2. Wake up at 3 a.m. Take a few deep breaths and focus your mind. 3. Visualize your desire vividly. See yourself achieving it, feel the emotions, and believe it is already yours. 4. Whisper or repeat affirmations like, "I am attracting abundance," or "My dreams are becoming reality." 5. End with gratitude, thanking the universe for aligning with your desires. So, is there any science behind this? At 3 a.m., your brain is in a theta state, which is a highly creative and suggestible state of mind. This is when your subconscious is most open to receiving ideas and affirmations, while the spiritual aspect is up for debate. There's no denying the power of focused intention during this time. Whether you see this as spiritual magic or a mindset hack, the 3 a.m. manifestation technique has helped many people stay focused on their goals. It's less about the time and more about the intention you put into it. Want to give it a try? Here's a quick tip. Start small. Pick one specific goal and practice consistently for a week. Observe how it impacts your mindset and energy. Remember, the power to manifest your dreams lies within you, whether it's at 3 a.m. or any time of the day. So, is the 3 a.m. manifestation technique myth or magic? The answer is yours to discover.